Do you want to keep your line shots safe and never lose them? In this video, I will show you how to back up and restore shots on the Line app so you can recover your messages anytime, even when switching devices. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Line app. In this page, you will go to the sign off settings. Here in this page, you will find here backup and restore shot history, and then you will find backup now. So you will tap here to backup now your shot history, and you will add your PIN code here and you will confirm it again. Then you will be able to backup and restore your shots on Line app. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.